Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on First Call Resolution, or FCR. FCR is one of the most important metrics in a call center. It measures the percentage of customer issues resolved during the very first interaction, without any need for a repeat call, escalation, or follow-up. We'll walk through its definition, the formula used to calculate it, a real-world example scenario, and the key components that drive success. By the end, you'll understand not just what FCR is, but why it directly impacts efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall business performance. First Call Resolution, often referred to as FCR, is a critical measure of performance in any call center or customer support environment. It represents the percentage of customer issues that are fully resolved during the very first interaction, without requiring a repeat call, escalation to a supervisor, or any kind of follow-up. This metric is not limited to phone calls alone. It applies equally to digital channels such as live chat, email, and support tickets. A high FCR is a strong indicator of efficiency. It means customers are receiving accurate and complete solutions right away, which minimizes the need for repeated contacts. The result is fewer operational costs, reduced strain on support teams, and, most importantly, higher customer satisfaction. In essence, First Call Resolution is about solving the customer's problem the very first time, leaving them with a seamless, positive experience and building long-term trust with the organization. The formula for calculating First Call Resolution, or FCR, is straightforward yet powerful. FCR percentage equals the total number of calls resolved on the first contact, divided by the total number of calls received, and then multiplied by 100. Here, calls resolved on first contact refers to customer issues that were fully addressed during the initial interaction, without requiring callbacks, escalations, or transfers. Meanwhile, total calls received includes every inbound interaction within the chosen time period, whether by phone, chat, email, or ticket. This calculation provides a clear picture of how effectively your team is solving customer problems right away and serves as a direct indicator of both operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Let's look at a simple example to understand First Call Resolution in action. Imagine a call center that received 1,000 customer calls during a given period. Out of these, 850 were resolved successfully on the very first interaction, with no need for follow-up. Applying the formula, we divide 850 by 1,000 and multiply by 100. The result is an FCR rate of 85%. This means that 85% of customers had their issues solved immediately, without callbacks, escalations, or transfers. Such a performance indicates strong efficiency, reduced repeat workload, and an overall positive customer experience. Now let's explore the key components that influence First Call Resolution. The first is resolution accuracy. This asks a simple but vital question: did the agent solve the customer's issue correctly during the very first attempt? Accuracy ensures that customers walk away with the right solution, eliminating the need for callbacks or corrections later on. The second component is escalation and transfer rates. When calls are escalated to supervisors or transferred between different departments, the likelihood of achieving FCR decreases. High escalation rates often point to gaps in agent knowledge, limited system access, or process inefficiencies. Together, these two factors, accuracy of resolution and the frequency of escalations or transfers, directly shape how effectively a call center achieves strong first call resolution performance. The third component is repeat call analysis. If a customer reaches out again for the very same issue within a defined time window, typically 24 to 48 hours, it is considered a failure of first call resolution. Tracking repeat calls helps identify service gaps, unresolved root causes, or areas where process improvements are needed. The fourth component is agent skills and training. An agent's knowledge, problem-solving ability, and communication skills play a critical role in achieving FCR. Well-trained agents, supported with soft skills and access to real-time information or tools, are more capable of resolving customer issues during the very first interaction. In short, monitoring repeat calls and investing in agent development are essential steps toward consistently improving first call resolution. The fifth component is tools and systems. Technology plays a critical role in empowering agents to resolve issues on the first attempt. Integrated CRM platforms, comprehensive knowledge bases, and AI-powered suggestions provide agents with quick access to customer history, accurate information, and real-time recommendations. These tools reduce delays, minimize guesswork, and improve resolution quality. The sixth and final component is customer perspective versus internal metrics. Internal FCR is measured through call records and agent dispositions, essentially what the business tracks. External FCR, on the other hand, is based on direct customer feedback, often gathered through post-interaction surveys that ask, "Was your issue resolved?" Balancing both perspectives ensures organizations don't just meet internal targets but also deliver outcomes that customers genuinely value. Together, these tools, systems, and measurement approaches complete the framework for improving first call resolution. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.